If this is you, then take a quick 5-minute break with me and follow along with these exercises. What is up, everyone? It's Dr. Everyday Jan here. Today, we are going to be fixing your neck pain, so keep on watching. First is chin tucks. Sit in an upright posture, roll your shoulders back, tuck your chin towards your throat, making a double chin. The uglier the double chin, the better. Use your finger to help guide your chin back. Hold this for 5 seconds, and we're going to repeat this 10 times. Tuck your chin in and come back up. This exercise is so good because we live in a world where we're constantly on our cell phones or computers, and instinctively our neck moves forward, but that puts a lot of stress on our neck. Next is neck rotation. Turn your head towards one side and try to get your chin over your shoulder. If you can't, that's fine, but it's something to work towards. Use your finger on your chin to help guide you. Hold each side for 5 seconds and then return to neutral and go to the opposite side. You probably have one side that's tighter compared to the other. For me, you can see that my right side is worse than my left. Next is neck side bend, ear towards shoulder, and we're going to be stretching the upper trapezius muscle. Use your hand for additional pressure to get a better stretch. Make sure that your opposite shoulder does not come up. Try to keep that shoulder down. Switch to the other side. Next is neck rotation and side bend. This is the smelling your armpit stretch. Instead of putting your ear towards your shoulder, you're putting your nose towards your armpit and smelling that armpit. Use your hand with gentle pressure over your head to get a better stretch. This is stretching the levator scapula. You should feel the stretch on the opposite side of your neck. Hold this for 30 seconds, and we're going to do it on both sides. Hopefully you wore deodorant today. If not, then I'm sorry. Switch to the other side. Next is waiter tips. Sit up straight, make sure that your neck is tucked. Pull your shoulder blades down and back, and squeeze your shoulder blades together and pretend that you're holding a pencil between those shoulder blades. Pull your hands outwards and hold this for 5 seconds. This one is great because most of us have rounded shoulders, so this exercise really opens up the shoulders. If you want to make it more challenging, you can use a resistance band. I'll link the ones that I use down below. Next is the Scalene Stretch. Rotate your head and look upwards. You can use your hand as gentle pressure. Switch to the other side. Now, if you have time, rewatch this video 2 more times for a total of 3 sets. But if 5 minutes is all you have, then I hope that video helped you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.